Oh, why you got your fancy camera?
Well, because we're gonna do a little vlog. Do you want to start it, Jacob? Do you want to?
Do you want to? That looks like a murder scene.
It's pancake day and we're at Jacob's flat. That's the only intro you really need, to be honest. So let's get into it.
That's not good, surely. No, I think it's...
Mine's lumpy.
Have you guys been keeping up with my mind?
We've got the vegan.
No, she knows the violence. Oh.
Alright, you ready?
Oh!
Oh,
Shambles.
there we go. Spread out as well.
Impressed faces all round.
A little
The maple syrup.
I'll take what I can get.
We got Canadian maple syrup.
4 quid from Aldi, mate.
No. £4.
I bought nice ketchup for £4 today. And I spent my money that my nan sent me on that. She sent me a £10 on the ground. I did stuff.
Do you buy all those giant ones? I got one of them.
It's not.
What? I've only had one. So
Aldi.
Because I treat myself as
Oh, why? Not well.
That's not true.
The review.
That looks hideous.
This is a yearly thing now.
Yearly. Who's
It should be a month. It tends to be a yearly thing.
who?
Huh? So did you ever play Fruit Ninja? Yeah. That's what you just did.
Have you seen a YouTube where the guy flips the pancake and the whole pancake is something and shut the handle in his hand?
Master at work.
Oh yeah. I know a thing or two.
Yeah, look, it's like actually watching. You can be the guest, Holly. Really glad you're doing okay.
Yeah. Really
And it's like, yeah, Jacob's doing the little tutorial in the back. Yep.
Is how you making the pancakes?
Oh, go on.
Do you want shells in your pancakes? Oh no. Let's not.
Put it in your hand and try it. It's really scary. It's like,
Is it not impossible?
no, you can't do it with your hand.
It's the other way around, right? Yeah.
Not like that.
Yeah.
Go on, Jake.
It's because of the density and the friction of the...
Imagine if it was smart.
Oh,
I really want to.